Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invincible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invincible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invincible.
This is a big difference from last night.
Yes.
Yes.
There's stuff in places.
We have it all almost together. But guess what?
It's Sunday.
But
It's travel day.
oh my god!
It's kind of a weird travel day, but it's travel day.
It's not weird. It's just travel day. Okay? Travel days are awesome.
Travel days are awesome.
I can't wait.
Okay.
Can you wait?
No.
No.
Actually, I'm excited.
She's excited.
I'm excited.
Look, I'm gonna squat down so I'm her like, hi. I'm excited too. This is gonna be awesome. I just went to Starbucks and got me some Starbucks. And on the way back.
Really pale, I'm sorry.
Sorry, you're pale. On the way back, I was thinking, this is gonna be great.
We haven't had travel day in a long time.
Oh no.
But, kind of sad Emma and Jon aren't traveling today, but we're gonna
do it.
do it right for them.
Yeah, we're gonna do it upright.
Yeah. So we got some errands we gotta do. We gotta run to the store.
Yeah, get some snacks because they don't serve anything on the plane anymore. So.
Can they let you take snacks through security?
Yeah. As long as it's packaged.
Okay.
Yeah, we're
Okay,
good.
cool.
So get us some snacks and then get ready to go fly. Hello.
We're almost at the airport.
Yay.
So Dre's gonna drop us off and take the car back since we'll be home, since we'll be gone for about a week. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, say hi. 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 So we're not gonna film much until we get like into the airport and
At our gate.
At our gate, just because you know we have to wear masks at the airport and all that fun stuff, and you know it's just kind of be new, you know, to us. So we're just gonna take it easy and get settled at our gate, and then we'll check back in with you, right?
Hi there. There we go.
We're at the airport, obviously.
Yeah, and it really wasn't too bad. It's not that crowded.
No, we found a little corner facing the window. See? Window.
And it's pretty easy to stay separate from people.
Yeah, Kaya's there. Hi, Kaya. Hi. So yeah, it's pretty easy to stay. I mean, it's a little bit more crowded than I thought it was gonna be, actually.
Why? I thought it was going to be probably worse than this.
Really?
Because, yeah, people are still traveling. They're not, you know, there's
That's
like,
true. Security was a breeze. There was no traffic getting into the airport.
No.
So.
And then the tram was the only place I thought would be congested, but it wasn't.
It really wasn't.
It was like you had plenty of room.
Yeah. So it's like 4:15. We are gonna board our flight in about an hour. So we're probably here in just a little bit gonna look for some food to take on the plane.
Get some grabbage.
Yeah, because it's gonna be late when we get in.
Yeah, about 11:30.
Probably nothing's gonna be open. So.
Such is life.
We're on the plane. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're on the plane.
We're on the plane. Airport this deserted.
No, well, we have.
No, even when we come in late, it's not been like that.
Oh, it's cool though.
It is cool.
The fountain's not going. That's kind of a drag. We're here.
We're here.
Yay, here.
Hey, Orlando.
Going up. QR code thing on Bob's phone. So that's what the little QR thing looks like.
Where do you scan it at?
Right there, I think. Pop it. Oh. There you go. They pop out right there.
Here's one.
Okay. It's trying to kill me.
You gotta use the key, Garland.
I do.
Now do it. You can't just go up to the floors.
Well, I'm sorry. My ears hurt.
Usually if you see one of these little dillies, it's a card reader.
I'm gonna really pay attention to the card reader.
Floor 9. Floor 9.
Suitcases on carpet. Of doors. Ooh, that's cool. Let's look. Oh, that's cool. There's like a whole garden thing down there. Sweet. Yay!
Go to the balcony.
Cool. There's a little like clock in the mirror. I'll show you that. Show you that in a minute. Look, clock in the mirror. What do you think of our room?
I think it's pleasant.
Okay, Bob's not impressed.
Not really.
Why? Just because the TV doesn't work?
That's one thing.
Okay.
You know, that's uncontrollable sometimes.
So there's our TV. Apparently there was something hit outside and the cable part of the TV doesn't work, so Bob's a little miffed about it. But I'm going to show you around the room because this is the first time we've stayed here. And I like it. The commute was great.
Yeah, commute was awesome.
So let's show you around real quick. So if you walk in the door, that's what the room looks like. You got a big mirror. Hi. This is the bathroom. So, nice bathroom. I think there's a makeup mirror down there, hair dryer, bath mat. Look, time in the mirror. That's cool. I like that. Shower. Pretty standard shower. It's a pretty decent sized bathroom. And towels, plenty of hooks, things like that. And then these are little hooks too. Apparently they swing out. Kaya was impressed with that. We'll fold those in so that nobody impales themselves. Here's a little wardrobe thingy. Put your luggage there. Some drawers. And iron. Kaya apparently found the lotion. She's happy. And then 2 queen beds. Here's the thermostat. Little reading lights on either side. There's not an overhead light. I don't think. Is that a light?
No.
That's a fire alarm.
That's a fire alarm. It looks like a light.
No, actually, it used to be where there was a light
Okay.
and a ceiling.
So then you've got a little table and another clock. Plugs. These are USB ports and a plug, which is cool. So our little remote is wrapped in plastic, but the phone is not.
Doesn't make a lot of sense, does it?
Well, you still got to pick up the phone, right?
Yeah.
And here's the little seat with the table. And then over here, extra pillows and blankets, microwave, coffee and tea and water, and fridge. And then we can't go out onto the balcony.
Wait, we can't go out to the balcony?
But
No.
That's sucky.
it's just for our safety, apparently. So we're kind of in the corner. You can see where we are. So yeah, this is our room for the night, right?
Yay!
The good thing is, here's
Yeah.
another table. There's a table on both sides of this bed,
Yes.
which I like.
Which I like.
And another little cubby. And is this a drawer? No. So, you know, I'm happy with it.
I'm happy with it.
Bob's indifferent.
I'm indifferent.
Okay.
Kaya, guess what?
What?
We're in Orlando.
Yeah.
Are you happy about this?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We are driving to Savannah,
Where is Savannah?
Georgia.
Yeah.
I am an intellectual.
There you go. And look, we figured out how to make the lights work. Oh, sorry, that's bright. There it goes. Dims
now
down.
it's like
Yeah,
right in
we
front of
figured
our
out, like,
faces.
yeah, it's like the little switch right here. Light, light. And this is our view from our room. We get to look at the TSA do their thing.
Hi, Mom.
They'll probably get mad at us for recording them. You can't record the TSA. That's illegal. Okay.
Anybody that works at TSA watches our vlog.
No, but there's, you know, there's Big Brother, government watchdogs, you know, they'd be like, what the hell? There's Kelly with her wet hair. Kelly, are you excited
Yes.
that we're going to drive to Savannah?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready for this drive?
I'm ready for this drive. It's brand new things that I
Yes,
haven't seen.
brand new things.
Look at my jammies.
I know, I love her jammies, they're so cute. Okay, let's get this dog and pony show started,
Did
girlfriend.
you show them
The light, I did.
the lights?
I didn't show them the magic lights though.
You have to.
But you gotta wait till they turn off. Okay, so there's this room has this really cool feature. It's like,
I'm gonna demonstrate.
let's see if it works. See? Bing! All you gotta do is walk close and the light comes on.
Activated light.
It's feet
It's kinda,
sensor.
it's a motion sensor lights. And they're on all sides of the bed. What about the other side of the bed, Kelly? Try this one. Wait. Okay, go. Yep, there it goes. Wow! Magic! So cool.
Coolest thing. There's one in the bathroom too. It's still on though. That little light in the bathroom.
That comes
under the
on when
mirror.
you open the
It
door.
comes on when you walk
in.
past it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's so cool.
So at night, turn the lights on, Kaya. Thank you.
Those lights on.
So at night, when you're like, you know, dark in here, and you gotta get up to go take a wee, you just, the lights come on as soon as your feet cross next to them. Bing! And it's like, lights your way. So, there you go. Lights, cool.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Lights, cool. Ow.
Kaya's very, 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 very just enamored with these lights. She wants
I
these
am.
at home on her bed.
Every time I walk by, I go, foot sensor.
Foot sensor! She got mad because I tripped them before she had a chance to.
Yeah.
Okay, while Kelly's finishing getting ready, we're going to tell you how crap vloggers we are, and we didn't close out the vlog last night, so we're closing it now.
Yeah. It's
Yes.
next morning, by the way.
Yeah, it's the next morning, and today we're driving to Savannah, but last night we flew in. It was a kind of bumpy at the start, but usually Denver's that way. And then it was pretty smooth the rest of the way, you know.
They didn't do
checks at the airport or the like getting on the plane or anything.
They didn't do temperature checks on the plane.
Thanks to
or
Kelly
anything.
interrupt us, we're going to tell you that we did not do temperature checks to get into the airport or to get on the plane. But, you know, I didn't think it was all that bad. It wasn't
No.
that crowded. It's easy to stay away from people. You know, the only time you get bunched up is when you're getting off the plane.
Yeah.
And that's about it. But we weren't really bunched up because we waited till everybody else left, and we just kind of took our time and got off the plane and had plenty of space. And I guess the only place to bunch is like the trams that go from the terminals to the, you know, to the what do you call them, gates.
Yeah, but that's bound to happen. They're trams.
Yeah, but they weren't that full. They're not like packed. You're not sardines or anything, so you still have space. Anyway, we got to the hotel. I mean, commute was great. We just walked to it.
Get this. Our bags in baggage claim were like the first 5.
Oh, yeah, it was awesome. So we just grabbed them and came back upstairs to the next level and got in. I checked in online. We had a little kiosk that we got to pick up our keys. We just scanned a QR code on my phone and it just printed out our keys. It was really cool. Then the room is alright. Kelly rated the bed as a 3 out of 10. She said it's not very comfortable. The pillows weren't very comfortable. You know, but like I said, it was the ease made it worth it. Seriously. Because if you are going to just get in late, this is probably the best place to hang. Mm-hmm. And so now Kelly's finishing getting ready, and we're gonna get our butts out of here.
Yeah.
Go pick up our room car and go. Okay?
Our room car.
Yeah. So don't forget, hit that button.
The
that
notification, the subscribe button.
And then ring that
notification bell.
Yeah.
Ding a ding ding.
And give us a thumbs up.
And comment if you want to.
Please. We love them. Anyway. We will see you next time. Time to say bye for now. Love you, bye.
Look, we got the jig. There's our car. Look, we've stopped in Daytona.
Howdy folks, welcome to the Daytona International Speedway here in Daytona Beach, Florida.
Leaving Florida.
Check out these oak trees.
We're in Savannah. Look at them.
This is an amazing city. I love this city.
How are you, sir, doing today?
I'm doing fabulous. I was just walking down the street a little bit, and then all of a sudden I seen this car coming, and it just ran right up on the curb, just like that, right up on the curb.
Floridians, am I right?
I could not believe my eyes. And I was like, what are you doing on that curb? And they just like looked at me like that, and then they drove up. Can't believe that stuff happens here every day.
Did they drive off on the sidewalk?
No, they got off the curb.
There you have it, folks.
Right. Just that's what happens when you sit up on your porch, you know, and you're watching people go by, because people are crazy. They do crazy things. Can't believe they didn't even damage that curb, but I hope that car got hurt, though.
Heart.
They deserve it. They deserve it. Get off my... Get off my lawn! Dang kids. What's this documentary about?